Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to block unknown messages automatically on WhatsApp. This is a very useful feature that helps you stop spam messages and keep your WhatsApp clean and secure. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once updated, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, go to Settings and then tap on Privacy. Scroll down carefully until you find the Advanced option. Tap on it to open more settings. Here you will see an option related to blocking or filtering unknown messages. Simply turn this option on, and WhatsApp will start limiting or blocking messages from unknown numbers automatically. This helps you avoid spam, scams, and unwanted messages from strangers. And that's it. You have successfully enabled automatic blocking for unknown messages on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.